In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Insightly CRM efficiently in just 5 minutes. Understanding how to harness the full potential of Insightly can transform the way you manage customer relationships and streamline your business processes. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your internet browser and search for Insightly. Once you find the official website, you'll want to proceed with signing up if you don't already have an account. During this step, you'll enter all necessary information to create your account. Insightly allows you to further tailor your experience by specifying your organization, industry, and preferred language, ensuring a personalized setup right from the start. Once you are logged in, it's incredibly beneficial to sync your email account with Insightly. This will enable you to send and receive messages directly within the platform, and it will automatically save a copy of the correspondence in the CRM. In addition to your email, syncing your calendar is just as important. This integration will facilitate seamless management of your events and meetings, keeping you organized and on top of your schedule. Moving on to managing your contacts and organizations, creating records is next. These are crucial for storing detailed information about your customers, partners, and other businesses you might be working with. You'll input data on individual contacts and have the ability to link them to organizations, helping you maintain a clear view of all your relationships. List views offer another powerful tool within Insightly. By creating custom list views, you can easily organize and filter your records according to different needs. This functionality ensures that you can quickly access the information that's most relevant to your current tasks. Another key aspect of Insightly is tracking sales and projects. The platform allows you to manage leads by recording information about potential customers and tracking their progress until they become qualified contacts. This can help you efficiently nurture leads and convert them to opportunities. Harnessing key features such as tasks and activity sets is also highly recommended. These features enable you to create to-do lists, log calls, and set reminders within Insightly. Moreover, for any repetitive processes, using activity sets to automate task creation streamlines your workflow significantly. Automating workflows is another feature that can't be overlooked. Insightly enables you to define triggers for various actions like tasks, notifications, and field updates. For instance, you can set up a workflow to notify a sales director when a large opportunity arises, ensuring quick action. Customizing reports and dashboards is crucial as well. These tools offer a live, graphical summary of your CRM activities and business metrics, which you can tailor to generate reports that suit the specific needs of your business. Finally, to optimize communication, Insightly lets you send and schedule emails directly within the platform. This feature allows sending personalized emails to single or multiple contacts. You can even use email templates and set schedules for future sending, saving time and ensuring timely communication. By mastering these elements, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Insightly CRM to its full potential.